Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your science sample paper with solutions.
Hello and welcome to NOF Science Champions League. Sample paper 3, class LKG. Circle the sense organ used to smell flowers. So, which sense organ helps us to smell flowers? Is it mouth or nose? We smell with our nose. Which sense organ do we use to see? Is it eye or hands? We see with our eyes. Next, what do we use to read a book? With our ears or eyes? We read and we see with our eyes. Next, which sense organ helps us know if something is hot or cold? Children, can you feel it with our nose, with your nose, about the hot or cold thing? Or we feel it with our hands. We touch it and we feel it, right? So, it's hands. Tick the room where you and your family enjoy movie time. Do you enjoy movie time in the washroom or in the living room? Where do you enjoy? You're right, it's a living room. Okay. What do we use to hold a pencil? Do you use your hand or fingers to hold your pencil or your feet? We hold the pencil with our hand, with our fingers. Okay. Next. What part of the body helps us do to a high five? Do you do high five with your foot or with your hand? We do high five with our hand. I have made a hand, but it's not looking like a hand. It's looking very bad. Sorry for that. But we do high five with our hand. Okay. What part of the body do we use to chew food? We chew food with our teeth or with our ears? You're right, with our teeth. We chew food with our teeth. What helps us jump and run? Do you jump and run with your nose or with your legs? With your legs. Yes. Where do we eat meals in the house? Do we eat meal in the drawing room and on this table chair, or we eat in the kitchen? Where do you eat meals in the house, children? We don't stand in the kitchen and eat. So this is the answer. Okay. Where do we sit and relax in the living room? Where do we sit, children? Do we sit in the washroom or in the living room? Where do we sit and relax in the living room? Here. They're saying living room. Okay. Where do we keep books neatly at home? On the shelves or in the bedroom, on the bed, here and there? Where do you keep? You should always keep your books on the shelves. Okay. Okay. What part of the house lets in fresh air? Should you open the door, keep the door open all the time and for the fresh air, or we open the windows for the fresh air? We can keep the windows all day open for fresh air. Okay. Next. Who helps put out fires and saves people? Is it a firefighter, or B, a chef? Who helps us, children, to extinguishes the fire? Who helps us, children? It's a firefighter. Correct. Next. Who teaches children in the classroom? Is it A, doctor, or B, teacher? This answer you all know. Your teacher teaches you, right? Not the doctor. Next. Who builds houses and fixes walls? Is it A, the architect, or B, postman? It's A, the architect. Next. Who helps us buy things from a store? Is it a driver, or a B, a greengrocer, or a person who works in the store? Who is it? Answer is B. Okay. What do we see in very cold weather? We see Eskimos, Iceman, or we see children eating ice creams in the cold weather. No. Okay, next. What do we see in the sky after it rains and the sun comes out? What do we see, children, in the sky after it rains, and when we see sun, we see all the colors. Yeah? We see what? What is it? Correct. It's a rainbow. Next. What do we see flashing in the sky during a storm? What is it, children? What is this? It's a lightning which flashes on us during the storm. Okay. What makes the leaves move and fall from trees? Is it a sunlight or wind? When it winds, when the wind is very fast, shh, then the tree moves. Okay? Next. What moves on tracks and carries many people? What moves on tracks, children, and carries many people? It's a train. Train moves on the tracks. Question 23. What flies in the sky and takes people to faraway places? Is it a car or an aeroplane? It's an aeroplane, children, that takes us in the sky, and we can go very quickly. We can reach at that destination very quickly. Okay, 24. What carries heavy loads on roads? Is it A, truck, or B, bus? Bus doesn't carry loads, children. Truck carry loads on the road. Buses usually carry passengers and people or children to one place to another. In the school bus also, there are school buses, right? Next, what is used to take passengers around the city and has a meter? This is a bicycle, it doesn't have any meter. And this is a auto rickshaw, it carries passengers and it has a meter here. Okay, so be auto rickshaw. Which season do we see rainbows after the rain? Is it spring or autumn? It's spring. Okay, next. When do trees get new leaves and flowers fall? The flowers fall always in autumn, children, not in spring. In spring we see rainbows and nice leaves, but when the flowers fall, it's fall in the autumn. Okay, next. Which season is best for playing at the beach? Is it A, winter, or B, summers? When do we play in the beach, children? We play in the summers. We don't play in winters. How can you play in the beach in the water when the water is so cold? No, not possible. Okay, next. In which season do we hear the sound of thunder and see raindrops? When is it, children? When the season is, we hear sound of thunder. It is like this, and the it's rains everywhere, and the thunder, the lightning. In which season? Rainy season. Good job. Next, question 30. What should we do every morning and night to keep our teeth clean? Should we eat chocolates? Hmm? Or should we brush our teeth? We should always brush our teeth, children. Not eating the chocolates. This is wrong. Sometimes you can have, but not always. Okay. What should we do if a friend wants to play with our toys? Should you just cry and say, no, I don't want to play with you, I can't share things? Or should you say, okay, let's play together, let us share? What do? You should share with them. That's a good thing to do. Okay, next. What should we wear to look neat and tidy? Should you look like this? Uh-uh. Or should you look like this? Yeah. This boy is looking so good, neat and tidy. Should always take bath, children, every day. Whenever you get up in the morning, brush your teeth, take bath, and then only you should eat anything. Okay. Next. What should we do when we yawn? Should you just open your mouth and yawn like this, or you should cover your mouth like this? You should always cover your mouth. That's a good thing. Okay. Next question. What is tall, green, and gives us shade? What is it? It's a tree. Good job. You all are doing nicely, children. Next question. What part of the tree is green and makes food? Children, leaves are also called as kitchen of the plant. Okay. So mm, the food of the plant is made in the leaf. The leaf makes the food and then supplies the food to the plant. So leaf is also called as kitchen of the plant. Remember that, children. Next, what part of the tree is strong and holds the branches? Is it a trunk or a stem? It is a trunk. Trunk is this. This is a trunk. Okay. Next. What do we use to give water to plants? Do you use plate or you use a proper thing which can sprinkle the plants water? Don't use plates, otherwise mama will be very angry. Okay, and we don't use plates for all these things. Got it, children? Okay. In which season can we often see rainbows after rain? Is it winter or spring? It is spring. Which animal is used for riding and runs fast? Is it a horse or a donkey? We ride on horse, not on donkeys. Next question. Which tiny animal makes honey? Is it a mosquito or B, honeybee? Yes, honeybees makes honey. Yes, children. Okay, we have completed our question, and I'm going to say bye bye to bye bye.
Don't forget to like